Welcome to Why Math Works. Today I will present an interesting two envelopes paradox. In the next minutes, we'll do four things. First, set up the two envelope game. Second, see the expected value calculation that makes switching look smart. Third, uncover the paradox. The same logic seems to recommend switching no matter which envelope you chose. And finally, resolve it by finding the hidden assumption and adding realistic limits and risk. Here is a paradox that makes smart people want to switch envelopes forever. You see two envelopes. One contains twice as much money as the other. You pick one. Then a question appears, should you switch? Let's say I pick envelope A and open it. Suppose it contains X dollars. Then envelope B must contain either half as much, X over 2, or twice as much, 2X. If those two possibilities seem equally likely, then the expected value of switching is 1/2 times X over 2 plus 1/2 times 2X. That simplifies to 1.25X. So switching appears to give a 25% boost on average. But now comes the paradox. If I had started with envelope B instead, I could repeat exactly the same logic and conclude that switching to A is also better. So somehow A looks worse than B, and B looks worse than A at the same time. That cannot be right. The problem is hidden inside the probabilities. After opening an envelope and seeing a specific amount, you cannot automatically assume there is still a 50-50 chance that the other envelope has half or double. That depends on what amounts were realistically possible in the first place. Imagine you know the largest possible amount anyone would put in an envelope is $10,000. If you open your envelope and see $10,000, then switching is obviously a bad idea. The other envelope cannot possibly contain $20,000. So the right intuition is this: the larger the amount you observe, the less believable it becomes that the other envelope contains double. For smaller observed amounts, switching may still feel attractive. For very large ones, it usually does not. There is one more layer. Even if an expected value argument points upward, people do not make choices using expectation alone. If you open an envelope and find $1 million, would you really risk dropping to $500,000 just for a chance to rise to $2 million? The paradox fades once we notice both the hidden assumptions and our attitude toward risk. So the two envelopes paradox is not telling us to switch forever. It is showing us how dangerous it can be to use expected value without checking the probabilities behind it. That is all for today. Please write in the comments what video you'd like next. Maybe a new video about mathematical paradoxes, or one about non-traditional ways to solve math problems. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it. Thank you, and stay tuned for another interesting video coming soon.